Imagine me saying there is no code. I be said it's done better. Hello my beautiful family, how are you all doing? Guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are good. Yeah, as you can see, it's a snow day, as in it's snowing today and everywhere was covered with snow. So today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me, but before that, how are you doing? I hope you guys are really good, and as for me, I am very okay. Yeah, and if you're new to my channel, you're most welcome. I honestly appreciate you for clicking and watching on today's video. Sit back, relax yourself and enjoy this video. And for my returning and old subscribers, you guys are really the MVP. Thank you for clicking on today's video. I sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. So guys, without talking too much, today's video, we are going out. As you can see, hubby and wifey, we are stepping out. The outside snow is calling our names. Yeah, so we need to answer that call. We are having some little get together with some of our friends. Well, I say friends, yeah, they are friends, family, you know, group. Yeah, my love, stop. It was a kiss in the car.
It's an unfair.
I'm a for you. I'm engineer. Stop. Macanine roll car on aga.
I'm gonna come on another video.
But I got guys, you hear what he said? But I got So guys, we are having a little get together. So I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. I hope the weather is gonna be bright by the time we'll get there. Like I said, now once it's 4-5, the weather starts changing, becoming so dark, which is normal during winter. Yeah, so I will surely take you guys along with me. Meanwhile, meet the man of the house. Say no hi.
Hi guys.
I get bute goji.
Cold. Cold.
Which wine do you want so that we can present it to you? Let me on his side so that your face can be bright.
Cold.
You're feeling cold.
It's freezing here.
It's freezing, but me, I'm saying there is no cold.
I wonder why people still want to come to Canada.
Why won't they?
I wonder why people still want to come to Canada with all this cold.
So what brought you to Canada?
Please, I need a flight back to Nigeria. Please, flight back to Nigeria.
Guys, I'm laughing though. The mask is really fighting here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So guys, we already at the place. We are stepping out. We are going to one of the best Chinese restaurants. Mandarin Restaurant, that's the name of the restaurant, and I think we've got there before. I can't remember if that is the restaurant we went one time ago. The restaurant is very nice. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like, and if you are anywhere around GTA, or maybe you are coming to Canada and you are looking for any good Chinese restaurants that you can eat and have a good meal, like seriously, you need to visit this Mandarin. Yeah, and I'm sure you will enjoy their meal. Okay, I'll take you guys along. Let's step inside and see how the place looks like and enjoy yourself. Hubby already stepped out and left me inside the car. So basically in this restaurant, when you pay for your meal, maybe a table or maybe number of table that you want, once you make payment for that, When you come in, you can actually eat as many as you want inside there. Like, you can decide to eat anything you want inside this restaurant. And the good part of it is that they don't have limits at which you can eat. You can absolutely eat whatever you like, but the only thing is that you are not going to be taking anything away. So it's more like eat as you like until you get tired. No, this is like for Ayo. It's for me to see you. That's why I'm putting it on. If I remove it, I'm not gonna see you. Yeah. So guys, meet my people. This is more like a family, you know. Yeah, NIPCA members. So we are having dinner together. Can you see beautiful faces? So say hi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi. Okay, I want to see that smile. You know? The foodie man.
Unfortunately, I'm not even foodie.
It's not my fault. I'm not the one that said
it. It is Ugo that is implicating me. I wish I love food. If I love food, I should be fatter than this.
But sometimes people that like food are very slim. Yeah. Boys, meet my beautiful ladies. These are tech professionals. You know? You go here, tech professionals. You resemble tech professionals. Hi. Now I'm greeting you. Hi. I hope you guys are having fun. Yeah, let's start. I hope you're enjoying our meals. Yes, I love that smile. And here is the combo of the things that I chose. Like, I can't even remember everything that is inside this plate, but I know this plate is full of goodness. Like, and I'm sure I have shrimps, and I also have spring rolls. I have a samosa dough, and I have salmon. I guess I have salmon in there. And what I'm eating right now is green beans, which tasted so good. Like, this meal, it tastes so good. Yeah. And I don't know if this is the second one that I'm choosing, or maybe second plate that I'm going for, because I can remember I ate a whole lot. Yeah, I ate a lot that day, and I was like, oh my gosh. Yeah, so it was so fun. It was quite interesting going out for that dinner, and I enjoyed that a lot. Yeah, having to see so many faces that we've not seen for a while. Yeah. But you will still do it. No. Don't do it again. I'm on camera. Oh yeah, Joe.
Your camera. When she opens her mouth and she's about to swallow.
Exactly. Oh my goodness, like this.
Huge natural YouTube channel. Don't capture me all.
Special kind of feeling, kind of low.
What's up, my beautiful family? How are you all doing? I hope you are doing so well. I hope you are enjoying your day, and as for me, I am absolutely fine. I want to go make my hair. As you can see, I'm carrying my natural hair. I washed the hair. I did deep conditioning yesterday night, carried it over the night. So today I have an appointment around 10 for me to come make my hair. So I will take you guys along with me while we go make my hair. So this is more like two times in like I think 5 years or thereabouts that I've not made my hair. So I just decided that this time around, I just wanted to make my hair, make something so simple. So sit back, relax yourself, enjoy today's video to the fullest. I just don't know how today is going to look like, but however, anyhow, today my day is going to go by. I will sure take you guys along with me. So let's go make my hair first before any other thing. Okay, I'm already late. I know the lady will be like, why is she waiting? But things happen anyway. Something happened this morning that made me not to prepare on time, but I'm going to share that much later in this channel. Okay, yeah, all right, let's go. Hey, somebody will be asking, why is she laughing? Okay, so I'm laughing because I went to McDonald's to buy something. I went to buy my energy booster. Yes, I went to buy my energy booster and also buy burger, and I requested for one burger, but only for me to finish paying. And when they brought what I requested for, the guy was like, did I request for two? I said no, I only requested for one. So guys, they gave me two, so I was only waiting for the guy to remove the other one, but unfortunately he didn't. He just packed the two and gave me. Can you imagine that? Like, seriously, can you imagine that? This is the first one. They equally gave me another one, making it two. And then I bought my energy drink, which is my coffee. Yeah, I don't do without that. I don't do without that, especially when I want to be productive. We are already so far we are already making the hair, as you can see. And this is more like a PP for a Nigerian-based immigrant here in Canada. So she has her 9-to-5 job, but she does hair making. Like after job, after her work, or maybe during the weekend, this is what she does in order to make more money, which I see is a very nice thing for you to do anytime you are outside your country, your home country. It's always good for you to have a side hustle. Yeah, you guys must have known that I enjoy patronizing our people. Yeah, so this lady, she made the hair so well. The hair turned out to be so nice. I love it. And however, if you do want to have maybe her contact, or maybe have her to make your hair, if you're staying anywhere around GTA, you can absolutely chat me up on Instagram and I will sure connect you with her. Hello fam, so we're making a lot of progress, and can you see how the hair is looking? In case if you're hearing any sound, there is Yoruba movie that is going on here. It's okay, leave it. Yeah, very interesting movie. Although I'm not really concentrating, but the movie is very nice from what I'm seeing here. Yeah, so the hair is looking nice. She's trying to select some extension as well, as you can see. Yeah, so that's where we are, and I'll go ahead and take something because I'm feeling a little bit hungry. Like I said, I didn't eat this morning, so I went to Tim Hortons to buy some stuff, and yeah, I'll be munching them while we go ahead and in making the hair. Let me know in the comment box below, guys, how do you see the hair? I love it. It's looking neat. Like, when I mean it's looking neat, it's looking neat. I'll surely show you guys once I'm done. Okay? Alright. To get money.
The video, right?
Yes. It's the advert that makes the owner to get a little change from YouTube. Sister, you can have one.
Thank you.
Why now? They gave me two. Like I told you. I told you they gave me two. Like seriously, I don't understand how.
Yeah, it happens like that. Sometimes they're in festive mood. So
yeah, I think so. I think so. As you can see, she's done making the hair, and at this point I'm literally admiring myself because I so love the hair. Like seriously, she's good. I love the hair, the hair looks good on me as well. So right here she's trying to put it in a hot water, and you guys already know that putting the hair in the hot water will make it like slicky. Will I say slicky? I don't know, something like that, but it will make it to reduce the pain. Yep. Hello guys, how are you doing? I just came back from making my hair. Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this hair. So I decided to make box braid, and I love this hair. You know why I love the hair? It's so light on me and it looks so good on me. I know how many compliments I've gotten just from the place to my house, as in from where I made this hair to my house. People have been telling me, girl, this hair looks so good and it looks super neat. I'm going to be leaving the handle of the lady that made this hair, her Instagram page. I will be leaving it on the screen. If you really want to make your hair, or you want her to make something like this, she will definitely be at your doorstep to make that for you. Yeah, and I like this hair. I did medium box braid. Yeah, no, not box braid, medium knotless braid. So this is what I did, and because I don't have much hair on my hair, that's why it's looking a little bit not too full, which I like. You know, I like making hair that I can actually pack anyhow I want without having any stress. Then on my way coming back, I decided to stop by at one of the market African store around me, and I picked few things from there. Like seriously, things are getting so costly, expensive, yeah, I would say, but I'm happy I got all the stuffs that I want. Just few things, and I'll go ahead and show you guys all the stuff that I picked from the store. Okay, so the very first thing that I picked is this uloyin beans. This is honey beans in English, but Yoruba people, they call it uloyin. This beans is absolutely sweet when you finish making it. Then, and the price I got this beans is yeah, I got this beans, I don't know the price, but I'm gonna be leaving it somewhere around the screen. And I have this I also picked this crayfish. I got 2 of this crayfish, and one of them is $5 each, so 2 of them making it $10. And also I picked this smoked turkey. This is turkey lap smoked turkey. Yeah, and this one I got it, I think I got this one $32. Like seriously, this small thing I got it $32. And then this one is jumbo chicken. This is hot chicken, Nigerian kind of chicken, which you can use and make stew, or maybe make vegetables, whatever thing you want to make with it, or maybe fry it and keep by the corner. And I got this one, I think I got this one around $28. And guys, look at that. And the next thing I have here is this gift. The lady decided to give me she gave me a gift, which I don't know what is in here, and I am receiving this gift with thanks, with smile. I am saying a big thank you so much for gifting me this awesome gift. I don't know what is this. This looks like a torchlight. Yeah, I think this looks like a torchlight. I'll figure it out, but looking at it, it looks like a torchlight, which I love so much. The color looks so pretty. You know guys, red is also my color. And she also gave me this beautiful face mask. Wow, that's nice. Thank you so much. So guys, you've seen everything that I picked up from the store. Like seriously, if you convert all this to Nigerian currency, this is absolutely expensive. Like it's very, very expensive, but all the same, I needed it and I needed to buy them. Yeah, I am loving my hair. Ooh, I'm looking like one sweet 13, not even sweet 16. Let me know in the comment box below. How do you see my hair? Is it looking cheeky? Is the hair looking nice? I love the hair. Thank you so much, sister. I love the hair. You made something that I really like. Yeah, and I will definitely come back next time. For sure, I will definitely come back next time. You know what, guys? I'm gonna be cutting this video right here. If you've watched this video to this moment, I honestly appreciate you. From the very bottom of my heart, I am saying thank you so much for watching till this moment. I really appreciate you. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Click on that red subscribe button somewhere around here or there. And remember to turn on your notification bell. In that way, you are not going to miss any of my beautiful uploads. Give this video a thumbs up. It goes a long way for me in this channel, okay? Do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about my content. Let me know what you think about this video in particular. And I will definitely be there at the comment box below to chat and interact with you guys. And also, stay blessed, stay safe, keep on smiling, and never, 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 never have a frowning face. Until I see you guys in my next video. I love you all. Bye.